We'll guide you through how to make a stand in Please Donate Mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this on an iPhone or an Android. So what you want to do is go and run up to a stand like so. You'll see the option to go and claim it, which you can then do. After you've claimed it, you're then probably thinking, how can I go and get some donation buttons like I've got here? When you go and click on the edit button, you'll go and see you can go and customize it, the text and all that stuff, but there's no option for adding donation buttons. Let's do that now. What you'll need to do is go and quit the game. We'll go and press leave like so. Now come out of Roblox and you need to go and open up a web browser. I'll just use Safari as I'm using an iPhone. And then all you want to do is come to roblox.com like so. You can also just search for Roblox as well. And then what you need to do is click on continue in browser below continue in app. And what you need to do is sign into your account. Now come and click on the URL bar and you need to go and type in create.roblox.com. It should go and look like this. And what you then need to do is press go. Here we are on the Creator Hub. Now click on the three lines in the top left and you want to go down and go and click on dashboard. Then you want to come into experiences and my experiences, and everyone should have one here. Go and click on it. After you go and click on it, you may need to click it twice. Click on the three lines in the top left and scroll down until you see monetization, and in there, click on passes. And then you need to go and click on create a pass. We can put this on sale and it's going to be a donation button. Optionally, you can upload an image and now we can name it. You can add a description if you want, and you can then click on create pass. It's now created, but for it to appear, you need to go and click on it again. You may need to click it twice, then click on the three lines in the top left, select sales, and it needs to be for sale. Switch that on and enter in the amount. The amount will be how much the donation button will be. I'll set it to 100 and I'll click on save changes. That's it. Now here we are and find an unclaimed stand. We can go and claim it, and as you can see, we've now gone and added a donation button. And you can continue making your stand by coming through the edits